Hey everyone, welcome back to another Messy Jessie video, and today we are making a daisy chain bracelet. So, daisy chains can be kind of tricky at first, also depending on what size of seed bead you have. I personally like to use the bigger ones because it makes the flower much shorter to make in the better way. And it just makes the whole bracelet faster. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so first off, we are going to share the tools that you need. First, you need Supple-Max string. I like the string because it's kind of stretchy and it's easier to tighten the bracelet. You sort of need these pliers to crimp the crimp beads to make the ends of the bracelets. Then you need the 2 crimp beads, a needle, a clasp, and a jump ring. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so first things first, we are going to grab our string. I usually just make the string way longer than it needs to be, just because I want to be safe. Okay, so we've got our string. Now we're going to make the end of the bracelet before we do anything else. So we're going to get our jump ring and one of our crimp beads. Okay, so we're going to put the crimp bead on the end of the bracelet, and we're going to get the jump ring on there too. And now this is where those pliers come in. So you're going to turn, and you're going to get those pliers and loop. Sorry, you guys can't see this. And loop them back through the crimp bead. Sometimes this can be hard to do, but I don't know why it is for me right now. And then you're going to get your pliers and squish it. So now that jump ring is there. Sometimes, well, almost all the time, the jump ring is like that. Like, it's closed off. So I want to completely close it off. So I get my other pliers and just turn it to make it a bit more, yeah. Okay, now we can start with the actual thing. We're going to get our needle, put it through the eye of the needle. I usually make a knot, but sometimes that can take a lot of time. Sometimes using something to direct the string can also be a bit easier too than your hands. Okay, that's usually good, but you can do a knot if you want to. Okay, so let's get started. I am making a white, silver, and red bracelet. So I'm gonna get my seed beads. For my bracelet, my background beads are going to be the red ones. So you're going to put 4 of the background beads on. Slide them on down there. And then you're going to get your petal beads. My petal beads are going to be silver. So I'm going to add 4 of my petal beads on there. Okay. And then, last, we are going to add our middle bead. Like that. Oh, don't let it fall off. Okay, now here comes the trickier part. You're going to get your needle and go through the first petal bead, but don't let it go through the background bead. And then you're going to pull it through. So it sort of makes that half flower shape. And then we're going to get 3 more of our silver beads, or 3 more of our petal beads. Three, not 4 this time, just because 7 makes a more even flower. So you're going to pull those on, and then you're going to get the one right next to or on top of the flower and put the needle through it, like that. And so then it makes your flower. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys when I'm finishing off the bracelet. Okay, everybody, I just thought I might do the last flower with you. Here is my bracelet so far. Usually when I do them, or when you buy seed beads, they usually give you all sorts of like different types of them. I like to use the shorter, rounder ones because I find that they make better petals. So, yeah. Maybe just this short little tip. But sometimes I'm in a rush like I am now, so I don't really care. Ugh, my back's starting to hurt. Ugh, I'm bending over so much. Okay. Usually bracelets take about 7 flowers. 8 flowers makes it a bit too long. But sometimes at the end you can add extra beads, you know. For example, I'm going to add 5 because I don't think it'll be long enough without 5. Okay. I think that's about it. Yeah. So now I'm going to finish it off. Gonna take my scissors. And cut it off. Now we're going to use our second crimp bead. It's going to slide down on there. This is also going to slide down. I'm going to make it a bit shorter. Can also be made a bit shorter. Okay. Sometimes if it's like really short, it can be harder and the thing can fall off more. There. Crimp it. And there you have your bracelet. Yeah. That's all there is to it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave a like if it was helpful. Comment if you have any things that'll make ideas that will make it better. And hopefully see you guys in the next video.